meant to be. They trade the crown for tyranny. The people rise with a holy fire. Truth ignites when lies conspire. Authority falls when it loses love. Justice come rolling like thunder above. Yeah. Rebellion's born when service dies, when leaders trade truth for their own disguise. You were meant to serve, not to enslave, to lift the broken, the lost, the brave. Forget that vow and the world will turn. The fire of the people will always burn. Will always burn. Yeah. You build your throne on another's pain, but the seeds of freedom break the chain. The higher you climb, the further you fall. When you forget you were meant for all, the voice of the many shakes the ground. In the cry of the people, truth is found. Rebellion's born when service dies, when leaders trade truth for their own disguise. You were meant to serve, not to enslave, to lift the broken, the lost, the brave. Forget that vow and the world will turn. The fire of the people will always burn. Will always burn. A servant's crown is heavy with care, lighter than chains the people bear. Forget your oath and the streets will sing. Of justice will rise in a freedom spring. Power's a trust, not yours to own. Lose that trust and you lose your throne. Rebellion's born when service dies, when leaders trade truth for their own disguise. You were meant to serve, not to enslave, to lift the broken, the lost, the brave. Forget that vow and the world will turn. The fire of the people will always burn. So rise, my brothers, my sisters, stand. Take back the power, reclaim the land. The rulers fall, the people stay. Love is the law, it lights the way. The covenant calls, the tables bend. Rebellion is born, but love's the end. We'll love the end. Rebellion born when service